Hey, today I'm here with this 1999 Chevy Suburban of mine, and I'm going to take you on the journey of making it my Overlander, which I've always wanted to do. So today we're just going to walk around it and show you all the problems that it has, which are quite a few, so it should be fun. First off, we'll start in the engine. It's pretty dirty. I've done a few things to it. I've replaced the mass airflow sensor and some other stuff. Battery wiring should be fine. Next, it looks like it needs a couple gaskets down there maybe. It's also having a 5th cylinder misfire. I'll have to run that down, figure out what's going on there. I think that's pretty much in the end. Oh, it needs a water pump. That's leaking. Radiator won't hold any fluid right now. I know it has a little vacuum leak here I gotta take care of. Under here needs new ball joints, top and bottom. They're not that great, as you can see. Both sides pretty rough. You can see where the antifreeze is leaking down right there. Needs brakes. Next is the transfer case, wherever that is. There it is. It's pretty bad. It's leaking. Has a little hole in the side. Everything leaks out, but again, keeps everything nice and lubricated, so that's good. And I think the transmission has a little leak in it, but I think that's just a pan. So, but that is most of the problem. So why would I fix up an old Suburban for an Overlander? Because I want to. Simple as that. I think Wyatt wants me to do it. Do you? Yeah. You want me to fix up the Suburban?
Yeah, I love the Suburban.
What about you, Bray? You want it fixed up too? Yep. I think I mentioned the 5th cylinder misfire. I think it has, I don't know, there's a few things I'm thinking. One is the fuel pressure regulator underneath there. I got to replace that because there's definitely a fuel issue. Kind of sputters as you go.
Sputters.
Do you like it when it sputters?
What does sputters mean?
So those are some of the issues that I need to fix. Oh, the steering's pretty loose too, so we'll address that as well. But anyway, come along for the ride. It's going to be so fun, and we're going to go on lots of adventures. And just like and subscribe and follow along. Thanks for watching.